though you already have a good command of English, what made you join writing classes with me?
I wasn't really able to think or put my thoughts on paper and to also improve my writing skills.
What did I teach you that you weren't able to figure out on your own?
Earlier, I wasn't able to like extend my thinking or like what to write or anything. But when after joining, I am now able to write better and extend my thinking and yeah.
Okay, if you had to describe the difference between your preparation or situation before joining me and after joining me, what would you say about that?
Um, I'd say earlier in school, if my teacher asked me anything, I wouldn't be able to answer them because I just couldn't think of any answers. But after joining English classes, I feel like I've extended my thinking better, and now I just say like answer everything my teacher says.
Harroop, would you like to say something to my viewers or students?
Yes, as a Gen Z, I think our generation relies on AI too much and they struggle to think on their own. But if you join this English class, Harpreet ma'am will develop your thinking and how to think better, and you'll be able to write more efficiently. And yeah, so I think you should definitely come to high school PTE. Thank you, Harpreet ma'am.